Do you want to make sure that no one can tag you in photos on Threads anymore? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to completely turn off tagging so that no one, absolutely no one, can tag you. Follow this step-by-step guide to protect your privacy. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new tutorials I post. First, open the Threads app and log into your profile. Once you're in Threads, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to open your profile page. On your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open Settings. In Settings, find the Privacy section and tap on it. Inside Privacy, look for Tags and Mentions and tap on it. You'll see options for mentions and tags, and we're interested in Allow Tags From. Select No One. That's it. Now no one can tag you anymore. And anyone who tries will see a message saying that you don't allow tags. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!